9-year-old son of policewoman killed in Manchester two-vehicle crash. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A male student of the Christina Lees Primary and Infant School died from injuries he sustained in a two-vehicle crash on the Segberg Main Road in Manchester on Monday morning. The child was being driven to school by his mother, who is a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force when the crash occurred. The policewoman has since been admitted to hospital in serious condition. Head of the JCF Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch, Assistant Commissioner Gary McKenzie, confirmed the developments. Preliminary reports are that at around 7 a.m., the policewoman was driving a Honda-Fit motor car with her son as a passenger along the Segberg Main Road when there was a collision with a Range Rover motor vehicle.
Don't put him in. Ready? So we'll drive off for this. Yo, can't bad father. Keep on. So how would I drive? How would I drive? Really?
The policewoman and her son sustained multiple injuries. They were both assisted to the Percy Junior Hospital, where the boy was pronounced dead and the mother hospitalized. The Jamaica Police Federation has since made an urgent request for a blood donation for the female police officer. The Police Federation said that the police constable is admitted at the Spalding Percy Junior Hospital and is in urgent need of blood. The policewoman, who is a constable, is assigned to the Christiana Police Station. Links 007 TV will have more details to come on this in a later newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.